I have created a graphic that we can use so that we can post on our Instagram pages. So this is for your individual use. And so I've created a transparent background here in this frame so that you can put one of your paintings or sculpture in this location so that you can help to promote our show. The reason why it's a checkerboard is that just means that it's transparent, and I have created a document in a PNG that just means that this is going to be a transparent background for you so that you can place something behind here. So what you will do is, if you have Photoshop, you can go ahead and open the PNG document in Photoshop. If you don't have Photoshop, you can use something called Photopea, which I've put in the email, and that is a free application that mimics Photoshop. So first of all, I have opened it up. I am now going to open up an image of my artwork that I want to put in behind the frame. So I'm going to say File, Open, and I'm going to go to my desktop because I already have something here, and I'm going to choose this painting. Now I'm going to unlock it, and I'm going to right click, and I'm going to say duplicate layer. If I don't know how to right click, I can go to layer, duplicate layer, and I'm going to send this to my lat Instagram post.png. That's the document. That's where I want to send this to. So I'm just going to send this layer, and now I've already done it. It's over here. Now it's on top, and that's not what I want. I want this to be behind. So literally, I'm just going to put that layer underneath. Think of what's on top, what's below. Now, using my little arrows, I'm going to grab this and I'm going to place it to fit. It doesn't quite fit here. That's okay. I'm going to have to transform it to make it fit. So I can go to Edit, Transform, and Scale. Or I could have pressed Command T. Now, if you are an older application of Photoshop, you will have to hold the Shift key while you grab the corner so that you do not distort your image. If you're on a newer Photoshop iteration in the Creative Cloud, please do not hold the Shift key because that will distort your image. It seems very silly, and I don't know why Photoshop did that, but that is what they've done. So now I've just grabbed the corner and I'm going to make my image fit so that I don't have any more of that little grid hanging out behind. And now press return. So there you go. Now I have a fun graphic that I can post onto Instagram. The way that you save this is you are going to File, and you're going to say Save a Copy. Or if you are in an older Photoshop, you're going to say Save As. You can't save as a JPEG anymore on Photoshop if you're in Creative Cloud. Now you have to save a copy. The reason why you need a JPEG is otherwise you cannot post a PSD to Instagram. So now we've saved as a JPEG. I just chose it from my format here, JPEG. I'm going to put on my desktop for ease of use, and I'm going to change the name so that I know what this is, and I'm going to call it my painting name, Lat Rolling in IG, Instagram. Okay, save. Done. Now I have something I can post. I hope you have good luck with it. Please make sure that in the content of your post, you will be putting the information of the date of the show, etc. I didn't want to add it onto the graphic. It just got a little bit busy. So to keep the focus on your artwork and Lakeshore Art Trail, I kept it like this. So just make sure that you are letting people know when the show is in your post information. Good luck.